Hello students, I am Dr. Shobha Devi, Faculty, Department of Physics, BMS College for Women. I welcome you all for this demonstration experiment of focal length of combination of two lenses separated by a distance. First of all, let us say what exactly a lens means. A lens is an optical device, and especially we have taken a converging lens or a convex lens. Now the principle of this experiment says that when you use two converging lenses with a certain distance between the two, the combination as a whole behaves as a converging lens. This is the principle of the experiment. And now before going to the actual experiment, let us see the little bit of formula of this experiment. The aim of the experiment is to find the focal length of combination of two lenses separated by a small distance d. And see that in this experiment, throughout the experiment, we keep small d a constant. And now formula for this is capital D small m divided by small m plus 1 whole square, where capital D is the distance between the source and the screen, and m is the magnification of the object image. And you are all aware of this combination where capital F is the focal length of the combination, F1 and F2 are the focal lengths of two lenses, and small d is the distance between the two lenses in our experiment. Now to find this, suppose if you want to prove 1 by F is equal to, how do you verify the formula? That means you need to find small m, F1, F2, calculate, find capital F, and this is of course by theoretical. Then this F is by experiment called by magnification method, finding capital F by magnification method. And now I will go to the table later. Let me first demonstrate the experiment. We have a simple optical experiment wherein we have two lenses here. F1 and F2 are the focal lengths of these two combinations, these two lenses, and the distance between them is kept constant throughout. This is what is called D. This is the distance between the two lenses. This is small d. Then capital D is the distance between the object and the screen. And now you can see this is a screen. Where is the object? Object is nothing but a scale. See that it is not a source. We are looking at the image of the scale printing, but not the image of the bulb light. So find capital D. How to find? Just hold a scale in a horizontal position such that it is horizontal between the scale, this is object, and the image, and that two image is found on this surface. Therefore you need to look at this reading, not the center of the image, the screen. And now we need to find for different capital D, we need to find m and use this formula and calculate. So trial number 1, say some value of capital D, find the size of the image. We have made very simple by making the height of the image to be 1 centimeter. So on this scale between 11 and 12 centimeter, the height will be 1 centimeter. So now I will adjust this to get a clear magnified image of 1 centimeter, which is between 11 and 12. So this is, now I need to measure the height of this using another scale. So this may be something more than 2 point something. However, the object height will be always 1 centimeter, and the image height in this case may be more than 2, and we are going to measure. So we are going to record this trial number 1, find capital D, write the size of the image, then size of the image divided by size of the object will be the magnification. However, since size of the object is 1 centimeter, size of the image itself is the magnification. Then use this formula, calculate F. Repeat the experiment by changing D. Now I increase capital D and adjust the system in order to get a clear magnified image. So fantastic. And now we are getting the capital D, a different, and size of the image, corresponding size of the image, and we need to record. Every time, see that you get capital F a constant. This is an experiment to find capital F by the method of magnification. And now we need to verify the formula, use this formula and find out the same F do we get here. So to find F1, now you need not do anything. Just simply remove one lens, use shift method and find F. What is shift method? Now at two positions of the lens, you need to get the magnified image and the diminished image, for which you have to try trial and error and see that you get the magnified image. And now as the lens move towards the object, you get the magnified image. So you need to adjust the distance of the lens to get the magnified image. So now what I do, in this case, I will just look at, see we have kept a scale here. I will look at the position, say now it is at 67 centimeter in this position. So the lens L1, the lens position may be called as L1 is at 67. And now I move this without, this is very important, without disturbing the screen, move the lens towards the screen and find the diminished clear image. Okay, right. And now look at this position, and this position according to this is 35.5 centimeter. So here it was 67 minus 35.5 will give the shift in the lens, and that is what is called as capital S. And now what is D? D is as usual will be the distance between the object and the screen. So this is D between the object. Now from here I record and I look at this reading, and this is capital D, and calculate F1. Repeat. How do you repeat? Change the position of the screen and repeat once again to get the magnified like this and diminished. Find out, shifting the lens, yes, and calculate F1. Like that you do 3 times. Repeat the same thing for another lens. So I'll remove this lens and keep the other lens and repeat the experiment like this. Magnified once again and diminished. Find out the shift in the lens, find capital D and calculate F2. So now 90% of the experiment is over. Substitute the mean value of F2 and F1 here, and small d is the distance between the two lenses. And now this is very careful. When we did the experiment, we should also look at the exact d between the two, small d between the two, like this. Don't be in confusion and reverse this, no. So before you start the experiment only, it's better if you find d between the two lenses. So you know small d, F1 and F2, calculate 1 by F, reciprocal of that will give you F, and that F, and from the magnification method F, the two should agree very well, and it's such a simple experiment to find capital F, that is focal length of combination of two converging lenses separated by a small distance d. Thank you very much.